National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the west central city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, Burke, Lincolnia, Lorton, Franconia, Newington, I-395 and I-495 interchange, West Springfield, Mount Vernon, Fairfax Station, North Springfield, Hayfield, Ravensworth. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. Now for the official